Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to fix Messenger app crash on your devices if you have hangs and does not work. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. In order for us to fix Messenger, if you can't get into it or it's not working, the first thing we need to do is go to the settings on our devices. Scroll down to the bottom and find Apps. Then open Manage Apps. Then in the search box, you and I will write Messenger and we'll find it. Here we open Storage. The first thing we need to do to make the apps work is to clear the cache. After we go to Messenger and check if the method works, and if it doesn't, we need to clear the cache. If not, then we need to clear both data and cache in our Facebook Messenger app. Another way is to try to go to Google Play Store and find the Messenger app, and also try to update it. So we may have had an old version. That's why it's not supported and it's not working. It just needs to be updated. And the final way is to turn off the phone, or reboot it and turn it back on, and then go to the Messenger app. Maybe one of these methods will help you and you will no longer have this application freezing and crashing. If you liked and found my video helpful, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you all. Goodbye.